Hello guys, today we'll be discussing about bubble chart. Now the thing is that this is one of the new metrics which have been introduced by Google in the earlier this year, by the help of which you can smartly visualize various areas from your Google search console. So come, let us find out more about this. Now before beginning with this guys, I will show you a graph shortly on the screen, and based on the graph I'll explain the various points which one can uncover from the bubble chart. But before that, let us first understand how actually you can generate a bubble chart graph. So the first thing first, you can simply open your data studio, connect your Google search console analytics, and then there is a representation option known as the search bubble chart graph, by the help of which graph this can generate something like this, as you can see from the screen, and this can decipher a lot of the useful insights. So come, let us find out what this have to offer. So explaining the chart, the y-axis represents the average position, the x-axis represents the click-through rate or the CTR, the bubble sizes represents the total number of clicks, and the bubble color represents the device category. The red reference line shows the average for each of the axes, and each quadrant shows 4 types of query performance. Now here's the thing: quadrant information, quadrant 1 top position high CTR, quadrant 2 low position high CTR, quadrant 3 low position low CTR, and quadrant 4 top position low CTR. So what we can decipher from here? So here is a simple thing. As you can see, like here we can really decipher a lot of things. Like we can ensure that the title or the meta tags attributes are specific and accurate across certain pages. We can even re-alterate the hierarchical structure of the content to make sure the content are relevant. We can add necessary structured markup data to add context to the pages, and most important thing is we can always reshape the keyword optimization or mapping to maximize the intent possibility of a particular content. So guys, as you've seen, like the main speciality of bubble chart is that it deciphers results in 4 quadrants based on the CTR and the position. So as an SEO, you can make utilizations of the pages who have the lowest CTRs and the lowest positions to increase their CTRs and to increase their ranking. You can also make utilization of the highest CTRs and take an understanding from them as what factors are causing a high CTR for certain pages. So you could do a lot of A/B testing. Bubble chart really gives a lot of exposure to a lot of the A/B testing, which SEOs like you can take an active part on this and can decipher a lot of added informations about the URLs and the structure of the content, and can restructure necessarily to increase the click-through rates and the positions as well. Thanks for watching.